Hey guys, Gal here, and today I'm going to be talking about what I bring with me to a track day or a race. So the first thing I bring with me is water, lots and lots of water. I bring ice as well. I take the ice and I just pour it on the bottom of the cooler and then I put the water on top. You have to stay hydrated. I see lots of people bringing Gatorade as well. Gatorade has lots and lots of sugar in it, not a lot of potassium, so I stay away from Gatorade. The purpose of this food is to keep me hydrated, keep the minerals in the body, and keep me energized. I like to be light on my feet and light on the bike when I ride. There's a lot of sessions. There's 8 sessions usually. So we ride 20 minutes and then rest 40 minutes, and it goes on like that for 8 times. That's a lot of stress on the body. I see lots of people coming in with burgers and sandwiches. I try to stay away from those because they make you heavy, they make you tired, and it's pretty hard to ride after you ate a full meal. The next thing I bring with me are bananas. I always stay with organic food. Bananas have lots of potassium in them. I'm on the ketogenic diet, so I can have maybe 1 or 2. People that are not in ketosis, they can eat the entire stack, not a problem. Every time you feel like you're about to cramp, just have a banana. The next thing I do is snack between sessions, and I snack on organic nuts, no peanuts. Peanuts are pretty much the only nut that is completely made out of mold and not really ketogenic and also not very good for you. So I bring Brazil nuts, almonds, cashews, and snack on them between sessions. That keeps me in ketosis and gives me a lot of energy. If I feel that I'm low on sugar, or I see a lot of people that are low on sugar, you can have a buddy fruit. Those are very good for you. They're 100% fruit. They're not organic, but you can't have them all. The next thing might be a little weird, but I do bring a jar of pickles. So if I start to cramp, and usually I cramp after 4 or 5 sessions, I just have a few sips out of the pickle juice, and pickle juice stops the cramps. Those pills are magnesium and potassium complex. They also help with cramps, so I take them before the day starts. This is a new product that I picked in the store, and I'm going to give it a try in the next track day. It doesn't have any magnesium or potassium, but those ingredients are all organic. So I'm going to give it a try and see if it works and report back to you guys. So those are the items that I bring with me to a racetrack. Remember, you have lots of sessions in a racetrack, especially if you're doing a track day with any of the familiar organizations. You get plenty of riding during the day, you get tired. The purpose of this food is really to keep you light, to keep you energized, to keep your body full of vitamins and minerals so you don't cramp and you don't lose your concentration, because concentration is key to get good lap times. So with those nuts and bananas and pickles, I stay hydrated, I stay light, and I complete the entire day. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you learned something. If you liked it, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click like on the video and click on the notification items. And see you guys on the track.